guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a makeup tutorial, a full face makeup tutorial using only one brand, and it's no other than WETNWILD. I really wanted to do a drugstore makeup tutorial, and I also wanted to do a one brand, and already for so long I just want to try WETNWILD full range of makeup products. I really love this makeup brand. I love that it's a very super ridiculously affordable. The quality is really good, and some products are even good as high-end makeup. And I really love that this brand is, I think, the only one makeup drugstore brand that actually represents themselves as a cruelty-free makeup brand. If you look at any of their packages, they always have the cruelty-free sign, and that is really amazing. I appreciate that a lot. And yeah, so let's stop a ramble. Let's start this makeup tutorial on this look. And yeah, so first I'm gonna use the WETNWILD primer. This is a cover all base primer. This is the only one I found actually, so I'm gonna use this one today. Kind of looks like a cream a little bit. And massage in my skin. I do have right now like a very problematic skin. Like, I don't know what I ate last week, but I had so many breakouts like all over my face. It's not even breakouts, it's like bumps all over my face. I'm going nuts with this face. Primer feels, when it dries, very smooth. So far it feels like a very nice smoothing primer. So for my foundation, I'm gonna use this Photo Focus foundation in Nude Ivory. This is a very light color, and I am a bit scared that it's a bit too light for me. I am a little bit like yellow toned, and this looks more like a grayish tone, so we'll see. I've heard very good things about this foundation. A lot of people really like it from the drugstore, from the more affordable foundations, so I'm very excited to try it. I don't know how much I should apply. Anyways, we're gonna blend it with the beauty sponge just so everything is nice and blended. The color, I mean, it's good, but it could be maybe a shade darker, because I don't like to look very light. So today I'm filming first time in a bun, I think, because I really feel like so under the weather, and my period is on the way coming, so I'm not feeling my best today, but I really have to film. I don't want to sit and just cry how terrible I feel, so I just push myself. But yeah, I don't know if that was the best idea for me today, because I really feel like dead. I feel like I could just stay in bed all day and cry. So the foundation blended out nicely. I like the coverage. It's not super duper full coverage. Like, I can still see some breakouts on my forehead, but overall it looks really nice. For my concealer, I'm gonna use also the I'm just not gonna say anymore WETNWILD, because obviously everything is gonna be from this brand. But I'm gonna use also the Photo Focus concealer, and this is in the shade a light ivory. It's very hard for me to get used to it now, to concealers with this tiny brush, ever since I started to use the Tarte. I have to like dip in my concealer like 1,000 times to like get the right amount I like. And I'm also gonna blend that with the sponge. Just bump everything around. And to set my concealer, I'm gonna use the Mega Glow contouring palette. This is in the Dolce de Leche. And I'm gonna use the light color to set my under eyes and my T-zone. Oh wow. This is definitely... Shit. I accidentally dipped in the contour color. Ah! Well, this can happen only with me. I gotta say this powder is a bit yellow undertone, which is nice, but right now the foundation is so light that the under eyes looks more yellow. But we're gonna fix that with the powder. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use the Photo Focus pressed powder. I really like this powder because it's a very lightweight on the skin and it gives like a not glowy finish, but it's not super matte. So really like it. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I did get their eyebrow product. This is the Color Icon Brow Pencil, and it comes like with a spoolie on the other side, and I have to say the size is really small. Even the eyeliner that I got is like a travel size. I don't know if this is the regular size they sell or this is just like a travel size, but yeah. Anyways, I got the color Blonde Moments, so I really hope it's not gonna be super orangey, because most of the time when I get the brow product that is in blonde colors, they're very orangey, so I really hope this will not be orangey. Very creamy. It's not orangey. Doesn't look orangey at all. I feel like more it has like a greenish kind of undertone, which is weird. It's just for me, it looks like that. Something like this. I'm gonna use the same concealer to clean up the eyebrows. I gotta say, my eyebrows looks greenish. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the eyes, and I'm gonna use today this palette in New Awakening. This is more like a cool tone, purpley shade palette.
I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch, bitch.
I'm very excited to try their eyeshadows I never tried before from Drugstore eyeshadows. So first I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone, and I think I'm gonna use the first color in the palette. Then I'm gonna take this color right here, and I'm gonna use it as a kind of transition shade. I mean, it is very dark for transition shade, so I'm mostly gonna focus it on the outer corner and then just blend it in my crease. Then I'm gonna take this kind of purpley dark color and also blend it mostly to the outer portion of my eye. Then I'm gonna take this kind of bronzy color. It's like a shimmer shade, and I just punched it with my nail. And I'm gonna apply it on my eyelid and inner corner. It's a very beautiful color. I love it. With the finger, definitely it gives more pigment. We're gonna blend these two colors together. Then I'm gonna take the same crease color that I used before and just kind of blend it on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna take that purple color and smoke smoke it out a little with the lower lash line. And then with this light shimmer shade, I'm just gonna highlight my inner corners. I really like this color, inner corners. Looks a little bit like peachy color. This is a Pro Line felt tip eyeliner in black, and I'm just gonna do a regular wing, very tiny. I'm gonna put some mascara. This is the Max Volume mascara. No, Max Volume Plus mascara. Like a synthetic plastic brush, which I'm not a fan of, except the roller lash from Benefit, but since Benefit is not cruelty free, I'm not using that one anymore. But yeah, I really love the felt tip eyeliner. Even though it's super tiny, it's so easy to apply it, and it's kind of really pigmented. Like usually when you apply eyeshadow, sometimes it's hard to apply the felt tip eyeliner, but this one went on so smoothly and easy. Shut! So while this mess is drying, I cannot remove it right now. I'm gonna put some lashes. These are not from Wet n Wild because I couldn't find any Wet n Wild lashes. So I'm gonna apply the ones that I usually use, and I'll be back. Lashes just makes everything better. So the eyes is done. Now we're gonna move on. To finish the face, I'm gonna use the same sculpting contouring Mega Glow palette that I used before, and with that contour shade I'm gonna try to contour my face. I also have this Wet n Wild blusher. This is in the shade Apricot in the middle. I was thinking this is a very peachy color, but it is kind of more to peachy bronze, so I hope it's not gonna be too dark for me. And it has a slight shimmer. It's actually really nice. And for my highlight, I'm gonna use the highlighting powder, also Mega Glow highlighting powder, and this is in the shade Precious Petals. And I'm absolutely obsessed with this color. Like, this is one of the most beautiful highlighting colors I ever seen. It has like a bit orangey undertone. This is beautiful. Wow. And for my lips, I'm gonna use the Catsuit liquid lipstick, matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Rebel Rose. I was thinking this will fit this look very, very good. And because I want to be super extra today, I'm gonna apply some gloss also on top of the liquid lipstick, and just dab it on with my finger. And I think I put already all the products on my face. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was definitely fun for me finally try the Wet n Wild full range of makeup for each and every face part. And yeah, I will say definitely I was loving the foundation. I did love the highlighter a lot, of course. I am obsessed with the Catsuit liquid lipsticks also. The blusher was nice, the liquid eyeliner, sorry, the felt tip eyeliner. And yeah, so that's it guys for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see in the future more one brand makeup full face tutorials, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know that